today we're about to replace this hood on your G37. About to put the carbon hood on there. Easy peasy, quick video, nothing crazy. It's not gonna be too long. Yes, you could do it with one person, but two people will be much faster. But we know how that goes. Let's get it. Pop the hood. It's already popped already. Lift the hood up. It's the last time you're gonna see this hood. Okay, we're gonna put this hood. Alright, so let's get a stick to hold this up. Get the 12 mil, and yeah, you're gonna have to transfer most of the things over, like this, the water thing, and those are not easy to come out, so you might need a new one to put on it, because well, I could recommend getting a new one because these are not that easy to come out. Let's get a pick. Make sure put your stick over here. I got the stick, put it right here somewhere to hold the hood up so it don't fall on you. This is how I put it. Now let's get this pick. Go in here, both sides. Pop this out. Same thing on the other side. Same thing on this side. Pop this out. Okay. Move this forward now. This water thing, you got to loosen it. Let's take this off first. Okay. Now take off the water, hose, washing nozzle right here. Okay. 12. Loosen these. I already loosened them already. Alright. Let's do the other side. Now let's remove the hood. That's how naked this is. Sheesh. Okay. There you go. There you have it. There's the hood. We were about to transfer everything over. This over here. You see this? That's a screw. You put it in there. And this, same thing. Transfer it over here. And if you want to try to take that off, that's on you. I'm gonna just order another one to install it. That's easy. All you do is buy it and just put it in there and put the same way you see that one. Put it on here. Okay, so I'm gonna do that right now. Transfer everything over. If you want to see a quick preview, all you do is spin this thing. You're going to align it when it's on. All you do is spin this off. And spin it back here. So like that, easy as that. Okay, should be good. Should be a clip here, so I'm gonna have to probably drill a hole more and put the clip. Same thing with this. Twist this off. I would get a new one of this from the dealer, but all you do is twist that on and twist it back. These are difficult to put back sometimes. Sometimes I don't even put this back on, or just get a new one, because this rubber is tight, hard. It's supposed to be soft, so I probably won't put this back on. But this optional if you want to put that back on, optional. And yeah, there's no point of this because you cannot put it back. Alrighty, so I'm gonna just switch everything over. Now let's put this hood on. Let's put the shocks on first so we can stay up. Don't worry about this hood, it's gonna be lighter than the OEM. So this you could do yourself, but like I said, if you have a second hand, even better. Okay, so let's remove these off there and place it on something softer. It's a 13 mil. Put this under here. So this side, if you want to see what I'm doing. Okay. Okay. Now, you don't have to reuse these. Maybe the 12 fit on there sometimes. Yes, sir. Fits. Now, let's put the hood on. Okay. Okay. 12's at the bottom. First, you can get the drill on it. Scratch it. Have that shit on there. Okay. Don't worry, it's gonna stay up. Just let's do this one first before you do that. Okay. Now let's put the rest. I'm using the OEM bolts still. This one, you have to take out the. So they take this out, or you use a wrench to tighten it. I'm gonna use a wrench because I don't feel like taking that out. Wrench, ratchet wrench. Sometimes it fits, sometimes it don't. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So, like I said, for the washer, once again, for the washer, you see it had the pre-holes. My hood did not come with pre-holes, but this one came with one. You see that? All you gotta do is get the washer and just put it in there. Okay, there it is. If you get a used one online, just slap it on there. Okay, but if you want to take a risk, take this off. That's only more, because these be a mother come out. These be annoying to come out though. But if you can take this out, go ahead. But I'd rather leave this on in case you want to reuse this hood. That's why I'd rather get another one. Okay, that's pretty much it. Let's look at this hood. Make sure these line up with each other. Okay. Okay, so for the rain, the rain is basically going to slide in here. There's a hole here now. I know some hoods this is blocked off, and you have to drill a hole, maybe here or here, and it falls out, or it just come out of here, or you just make a hole at the bottom here. So the water, when you lift the hood, if you put it there, lift the hood, it will just drop down. But it's up to you if you want to do that, if you have the closed one. But this is open vent, so it's gonna leak in here. It's not gonna harm the engine, but stuff gonna get a little rusty because, you know, the rain. You know how rain get in New York. Okay, so that's pretty much it. If you see this hitting over here, if you look in there and it's hitting like here, or it's hitting this, you can loosen these two 10 mils here and adjust the latch over, back, forward. Well, that way. Okay, so you could just adjust this thing. If you see it hitting over here, the corners, sometimes you hit in the corners. Okay, so you can move it side to side. Also, to adjust the gaps over here in the corners, just loosen the 12s both sides and just shift the hood how you want. Okay, if this is not lining up, also you can shift the hood this way, that way, forward, whatever. Okay, if this is not lining up, also you can shift the hood this way, that way, forward, whatever. All right, it's the final result here. Little gap over here, and this one, same thing. And that's how you do a hood on a G37 sedan coupe. Same process. All right. So, help you out. Give me a like, subscribe. Later.